Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to add or allow an application to start up when your computer starts up on Windows 11. So generally speaking, these background applications, you can turn them off from starting up every time your computer turns on in order to speed up your boot. However, in some situations, you may want to allow an application or program to start when your computer boots up that you may have previously disabled or may have been disabled by default in some cases. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to do that. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is right click on a blank area of your taskbar and select Task Manager. You want to select the startup icon over on the left side here. So they've changed the icons a little bit on Windows 11. So it's this little icon that's a few icons down from the top. On Windows 10, I believe it's actually up at the top, so you just select that tab. And then if you have a specific app you want to enable when your computer turns on, you just want to select it. And then you want to select the enabled option. Select the enable button that says enable the selected app to run on startup. I believe on Windows 10, it's actually at the bottom of the window. But anyway, go ahead and select enable, and that should enable it next time your computer turns on. It should turn on when your computer turns on. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.